So, according to Userbenchmark, using multi-core SSD memory will improve bandwidth. I know it's biased, so shut about it. So I set up multi-threading for the CPU and memory. I'm sure this will run faster than journalists can report. Let me try this. I have worked with Python for 2.5 years, and Script for 2 years, and C++ for 8 months. Rest of them, I didn't learn much out of it. No activity can hold my attention more than 1 week, not even cat videos. So I can give you the confidence that I am not untalented in programming. Dude, just trust me. I am 20, and I was dealing with chronic laughing gas. Thanks to Kira, I am more functional now, and she gave me the permission to upload the project file on her account. If you don't mind, it reads like a diary, not a diarrhea.
Of course you find a bunch more diarrhea.
I got a new message. Kira said I saw someone who looks like you. Everyone is so freaking lazy that they worked so hard on plotting against people and impersonate people. If anyone tells you to unzip a password protect zip, do not ignore your antivirus warning unless you want sitting down naked. Better losing your 161 bucks than losing your 5 years of work to malware. I got attacked by Chinese character, and I have only myself to blame. I was a writing master of obfuscated code back in the day. But after 2 years, I've improved so much as a human. Am I a human? Or am I a monster? I don't know where I am going. I don't know what I am doing. I am just doing things, and hope there's no mess to clean it up. Starvation is on me if I take a break. Not even you as a skill. There's no other choice. My C code, which is one of the hardest languages besides assembly to build on, and it's still more readable than my Script code. I just got my ATR 2100X. I got recommended by Nice Code.
那如果你要我推荐一个 USB 的动圈麦克风的话，我会推荐你铁三角的 ATR 2100X。
I can't forget what did I went through to get this microphone. Like if you pay software online, you get them immediately, but not with ATR 2100X. I was very worried if the microphone is defective. This is my microphone. This is my headphone. And this is my smartphone. This is the sound from my microphone. This is sounds coming from my headphones. This is the sound from my smartphone. It glitches out sometimes. The microphone, it's insane. It was worth my money, $325. It's like these microphones got noise cancelling. It's so good. To explain why ATR2100X is really expensive, well, you have to work for 68 hours in Malaysia to buy it, but only 9.2 hours in Australia. That's 7.39 times difference. Let's say if you include the food cost, like somehow you spend $10 on food every day. We know that's impossible, just saying. And you work for 10 hours per day and 6 days per week. You will need to work 9 days and rest 1 day to get the microphone in Malaysia, but only the first day in Australia. Also, they don't even give me the pouch as in the image, which is very common in Shopee and Lazada. They can just scare away with it, saying, but it's not in description. So I can let you know, warranty service in Malaysia is dreadful. I need to be very careful when I dropping hundreds of dollars on a stuff, because there's no warranty. Games doing false advertising, keep it to yourself or get sued by them. Attorney ain't going to help the good guy, but the one who pays the most, and they won't stop suing you until you are behind the bars for 10 years. It was intended for a C beginner, but I messed it by using bitwise operator and using memory leak detector and a pointer collector, and there's still much more to it, but luckily it's very easy and small to read. It's 473 lines only. It's my first attempt to build large-scale software templates, not the one in I or CCC. But there's no excuse for mistake, so I have to done it right in the first run. In case I screw it up, try to look into the branch one, because this project can get complex pretty quickly. The good thing is, I prevent the CIA who's glow in the dark try to mind control me into posting this message and capture me as subject in the torture program. Now you won't see my cards. It features compatible with split screen and default VS Code or terminal emulator reading, although I recommend that brand mono as front and set tab size to 8 for much easier readings. It teaches you how to manage your memory, text-free and multi-threading, embarrassing friendly, unobfuscated codes, very maintainable. It proves itself with C. It provides personal to-do lists. It teaches you how to make local Git repository. It's CC0 license. It teaches you arrow operator and bitwise operators. It teaches you how to pass a heap array function to functions. It's not made by fake guru. I didn't turn this into a book for more profit. Now give me your $44. Let me tell you, that night, the flash shined on my eyes, and then something used cloth to cover my eyes. It was very scary. I screamed for help and I cried. And then I felt. When I waking up, I found my chest is flat as pancake now. And I produce white sticky thing now. And when I urine, it doesn't spill around making a mess anymore. When I talk, my voice is deep as a well. I realize the perform masculizing surgery on me. Now I am stuck with this body, The body changes felt weird to me. By the way, I made it all up. By the way, why I'm not getting a software engineer job? Because they don't even care your actual solving skills. They only care about your work experience, which is stupid. So the only way to get out of this is I started a YouTube channel to build my donation as a business, which is I make some games or software, and hopefully people will donate me so I can make more.